Hey there and welcome to my channel. For today's nail art tutorial, I'll be showing you how I did my Instagram inspired nail art. First, I used a white base over my peel-off base coat. And I also applied some oil around my nails for an easier cleanup for later. I selected the polishes that resembles the Instagram icon and I applied them onto a sponge just like this to create that beautiful Instagram ombre. Then, dab it onto your nail. Repeat painting your sponge and dabbing until you reach full opacity. Then I already did the cleanup and let's apply top coat. After applying the top coat, I also added a shimmery purple top coat onto my nails. Wait for your base to completely dry, then let's start painting Instagram's icon. I'll be using acrylic paint for all of my detailed painting. I started with painting the circle in the middle. Then add the circular square shape outside of the circle. Then I add a tiny dot on the upper right inside the circular square. Then for my middle nail, I'll be painting the letters I and ST. Then for the ring nail, I painted AGR. And lastly, on my pinky, I painted the letters A and M. Then after finishing all of that, seal your design with a top coat. Never forget to seal in the tips for a long-lasting manicure. And that's how I did my Instagram inspired nail art. I hope you guys liked today's video. I had so much fun doing this and I really love how it turned out. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Never forget to share this video to your awesome friends. And subscribe to my channel. Oh, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!